Loading the hole. Loading the hole refers to the part of the construction process in which construction materials are brought inside the footings area. In this section, we will establish the order of placing supplies in the footings area. This is the order we will follow: rebar, scaffolding and bracing, and blocks. Cut the rebar to length, remembering to account for any lap lengths required according to your engineering drawings, and place it beside the footing at the wall for which it is cut. Place 2 foot by 2 foot pre-bent corner bars, 1 per horizontal row, at each of the corners of the building. Next, place the bracing material and scaffolding material near the center. Stack the blocks in the basement, leaving enough room between the footings and the stacks to work. Stack the corner blocks in pairs, 1 left hand and 1 right hand, near the corners where they will be used. Be careful. Remember to inspect the blocks for damage.